Hey boys and girls, welcome to another day of math games. This game is Angle Add Up. It can be found on page 248 in your SRB if you want to follow along. You can see here the materials you're going to need. The big one is you're going to need a straight edge, and you're going to need number cards, and of course you're going to have to find someone to play with you during this game. So, the skills we're working on in this game are drawing angles and finding unknown angles using those protractors. To get started looking at our directions, you're going to shuffle your cards and place them in a stack, number side down on the table. Each round, each player draws the number of cards indicated on the record sheet. The record sheet's going to look like this right down here, boys and girls. Right here, okay? It's going to tell you you need to draw this many cards right there. So in our example, it's going to be 4. Each player then is going to use the number of cards to fill in the blanks and form angle measures so the unknown angle is as large as possible. So right here is going to be our unknown angle. We want this number to be as big as possible. So you can add, you can subtract to find the unknown angle and record it in the circle on the record sheet. The measure of the unknown angle will then be your points for that round. Once you have that down, you're going to, like they did over here, use a straight edge, a pencil, and a full circle protractor to record your score. So let's look at the example here. My card said draw 4 cards. So I'm going to draw 4 cards from that stack. I drew a 5, a 1, 7, and a 2. I want to arrange those cards in a way where when they're added together, they make the biggest angle possible. And this one here is correct. So 51 degrees plus 72 degrees equals 123 degrees. Now, if I would have said, instead of 51, maybe I said 15 plus 72 degrees, that would not have made a number bigger than that. You're going to want to use your cards that you have to make the biggest numbers possible here so that this number will be the biggest possible. Now it's pretty cool, boys and girls, how they drew their angle here. You can see here A, B, D. That's 51 degrees from here to here. And then they added on another 72, which is going to form angle DBC, 72 more degrees. And when you look at ABC, it's 123 degrees. So it's really important as you're drawing your angles that you don't just draw this one, but you show how you added them together to get to that larger angle. They have 2 angles here that form that larger angle. You're going to play 3 rounds. The player with the most points right in here after 3 rounds is the winner. If you have time, reshuffle, play again, have fun. If not, clean up your stuff and get back to work, get to the next assignment. So, alright, hopefully you enjoy this game. It is a good one, and you're working on your ability to draw angles and find unknown angles. Enjoy Angle Add Up, boys and girls.